have our first in-person lecture today. And that's a really big deal, first big in-person lecture. And that's coming in our second year of medical school, in the middle of our second year of medical school, which feels kind of weird, but yeah. I'm just packing my bag right now, and then we're gonna head off to the lecture theatre, where the lecture is on head and neck anatomy. Are you excited for the lecture?
Now I am, because Siobhan, the medic, is here, so I'm very excited.
What? Let me know how you found today's lecture.
Today's lecture was the best. Yeah, it was alright. It feels weird to be in person. It feels very weird to be in person.
We're back with medical and Sahil Mukherjee, both influencers though. Yeah.
Yeah, it's good to know, see people, meet a lot of people. It's interesting.
Yeah.
It's quite weird because it's the first time we've had an online session, and it feels like a canteen environment.
Yeah.
We've got all these people, and it's like we have 500 medics in the whole cohort. There's probably like 70 people here right now, so it's quite busy. And it's quite cool to see everyone's faces in person and actually see the lower part of their bodies. Instead of just their face.
100%, man. Out of 10, how much would you give today's experience?
The lectures or today's whole experience?
Today's whole experience.
I'd give it a good 8 because I've met a lot of people. A lot of people that you wouldn't usually meet. So it's been good. I thought it would be a solid 10 because I feel like compared to staying at home,
damn, bro.
coming to uni, it's quite solid. Should we record your experience? Shall I take it?
Yeah, sure.
So first of all, what's your name?
My name is Razi.
Yeah. On a serious note, so how have you found today?
Today, it's been pretty good, man. It's really nice to come and sit amongst everyone finally and to see so many people. Like, I really didn't expect to be in a lecture theatre with like 300 other people so soon. Yeah, no, it's definitely really good.
So what would you give it out of 10? And the reason is what, please? Back to medical interviews?
I think I'd give it an 8 too. Let me think of my reasoning for this. Why would I give it an 8? I mean, it's a bit of a pain to get up so early in the morning and to come for the lectures, but it is nice to actually see the lecturers in person and to see everyone else in person. That's why I give it an 8.
10 out of 10. Lovely answer. Guys, check out his YouTube videos. Look at his UK Cat and BMAC tutorials as well. Interview and interview as well. Woo!
Okay, so what did you guys think of today?
First in-person lecture for our entire degree.
Best day of medical school?
Questionable. No, I would not.
Good. It's
But
a
it was
good day.
It was
It's
a
a
very
good
good
day.
day.
Yeah. And will you guys come again? What are we planning to do?
Planning to attend at least 50%.
He's planning to ditch.
I'm planning to attend at least 50%.
I plan to attend 100 because we're paying too much to
50, 100.
not come.
Just
I have
enjoy
no
the
idea what I'm gonna
Viv is already ditching a session today.
do. I have nothing to say to that. Yeah, nothing to say. Anyway. Hey guys, so I'm back from my first in-person lecture and it was actually pretty good. I thought the flexibility and the sort of independence of online lectures made them a lot better, but I feel like in-person lectures actually have a degree of accountability that make them really good. And also I find it much easier to engage with the content when the lecturer is speaking. I stay much more focused in in-person lectures. So I'm actually quite happy that we had this lecture and that we have a few more. I probably will try my best to attend all of them because like I said, they have benefits. And then obviously I can do whatever polishing up I want using the online lectures later on because I still have access to those. So I'm changed into some slightly more comfortable clothes now because it's going to be a couple of hours indoors. So I have a PAL session in a few hours in which third year medical students are going to teach us second year medical students. But before that, I have to do some boring stuff. I have to clean the kitchen, wash the dishes, and I'm going to listen to a podcast while doing that to keep me busy. And let's see which one to listen to. So I'm going to listen to the medical school podcast by Teach Me Anki. And basically, they have a podcast on competition and scoring high in medical school, which sounds pretty interesting. So I hope to score high, so I'm going to listen to this and see if it gives me any tips. So I was just listening to this podcast, and they were basically talking about competition and whether it's a good or a bad thing in med school, and they're arguments on both sides. And I'm not sure actually, because competition is something that really drives me, but at the same time it can be kind of bad in an environment where you're supposed to work collaboratively. Their argument is that in the classroom it's useful, but in clinics it's not. I want to know what you guys think about competition. Is it something that drives you? Is it something that comes in your way? So leave a comment down below telling me what you think about competition. Till then, let's get on with this live PAL session. So, if you watched my previous videos, you probably heard me speak about working out a little. I try to do it every day because I think it's something that can really, change your life. Like, it gives you discipline, confidence, everything. But recently, COVID and all has been going on, so I've reduced the amount I go to the gym, and I've tried to work out at home a little bit, but now I'm restarting and going to the gym about 3 times a week. So, yeah. Let's go. This camera died on me.
Dumb shit is not a thing. Dumb shit is.
Let's get it. So I just finished what was a really good sort of gym session, and man, I owe everything to the gym to take me from here, put a picture up there, to where I am today. It's insane. So the camera has been revived, but anyway, I'm back from the gym now, and yeah. So basically, that is pretty much everything interesting that's happened in the day. I'm just gonna finish off the day by probably completing a lecture or two, and I'm just chilling, maybe watching something and making dinner. And if it's something nice, I'll show it to you right now. And if it was nice, you saw it right there. If it's not, that was probably just a bit weird. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was a good insight into medical school and life in medical school. And it was a special day for me because it was my first in-person lecture. And yeah, if you enjoyed it, if you liked it, hit that subscribe button, drop a like on this video, leave any comments you want down below, and I will see you in the next one.